Welcome back to the channel of Meals with Mills. In this episode I'll be making lamb ribs. Let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for our dish. I've got mustard, cumin powder, brown sugar, garlic powder, sweet paprika, black pepper, salt. We've got our lamb ribs. So this is our set of ingredients for to rub on the lamb. These are the ingredients for our glazed. We've got honey, balsamic vinegar, got soy sauce, golden syrup, tomato sauce, and applesauce. I'm going to combine all our spices in a Ziploc bag so we can combine them all well. Don't forget, all the ingredients will be available in the description box below the video, so please check it out in there. Okay, so those are all our spices. I have put them all in a Ziploc bag, and I'm just going to go ahead and give it a good shake. Next up, I will go ahead with our mustard. I will rub it on the lamb, and this will help our spices to stick on the lamb, if you know what I mean. So give it a good rub on the lamb with the mustard. Go ahead with my hands. It's a little bit messy, but it's all good. You can wash your hands after, but make sure that you cover the lamb ribs with the mustard. Time to sprinkle our spices. Give it a good rub. Make sure that all the spices sticks on our meat. Give it a good massage. Our spices are sitting nicely and stuck nicely onto the lamb because of our mustard that we added earlier. Okay, so I've preheated our oven already at 180 degrees. I am now going to wrap our lamb with some grease baking paper, followed by the foil. Please make sure to secure the top of the baking paper so the juice can stay inside. Okay. Yeah. We will roast our lamb ribs in the oven for about an hour and 15 minutes. We will go ahead and check after 1 hour and 15 minutes, and then we'll continue on with the rest of the recipe. While our meat is cooking in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and mix our glazed ingredients together and have it ready for when it's cooked. Start with tomato sauce or ketchup, golden syrup. You can use honey if you like, soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, and applesauce. Give it a good mix. It looks like it's well combined. I'll give it a taste and see if I need to add more of the ingredients, especially the applesauce. No, everything's okay. I don't need to add any more. It's all set now. I will put it aside, have it ready for our meat to cook in the oven, and then we will brush it on our meat and continue on from there. Okay, we took out our lamb ribs from the oven. It's been baking for about an hour and 20 minutes. And then I went ahead and checked. It is nice and cooked now. So let's go ahead and open it. Let's start adding our glazed. Make sure that you cover the whole lamb. Okay, I'll add more of our glazed and make sure you cover all of that meat. Otherwise, the oven is just as good. The meat is nice and tender as well. One of the bone came out. I'll turn it over again so that side can brown nicely. Give it one more brush on top. We will put it in the oven, and I've turned the oven up higher than 180, so I've turned it to 220, and we will bake our ribs for about 5 more minutes, and I'll keep pasting it until we get a nice colour on top, and then we should be ready to eat. Our lamb ribs is cooked. Just came out of the oven and it's nice and hot. I am serving it with rice, white cabbage and mac salad. Brings me back memories of a Mobetta meal or Alanao, but it's not quite close. Let's go ahead and taste our food, especially our lamb. Whoa. Look at that. Nice. Some rice. And a mac salad. So juicy. The glaze is really nice. I think the apple sauce, can really taste the apple sauce and all the flavorings in the marinade. Goes really well with the slaw and the mac salad. If you like the recipe of the mac salad or my mac salad, I will link it in the description below, the ingredients and everything. But that's our lamb ribs tonight, everyone. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Thank you to all who have subscribed and supported my channel. It means a lot to our family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that post notification so you can be notified for more videos. And if you like this recipe, please hit the like button below. Thank you again. Take care, and I will catch up with you in the next episode. Bye for now.